Well, how do you know to go short right where it says to go short to make at least $100 or $200 on a trade like this? Well, I'm going to show you how to use price action. When trading price action, sometimes we have to think a little bit outside the box. It doesn't really matter the market that you're looking at. In my example here, this is the E-mini S&P, but really this could be done on any market that you choose, whether it be the Dow or the NASDAQ or a currency. In my example here, this is today using the Trade Scalper software, and I'm not just focusing on the Trade Scalper software, I'm also focusing on the signal plus price action. So the first thing we're going to notice is that right as the market opens, there's a huge move. So this is normal. Everything that you're seeing here with this large candle, the bell rings, everybody buys or sells, absolutely normal. What happens next is the market, after the first candle, stops trading at 53.21. This is what it looks like right here. Now, by itself, that may not be enough information for us to do anything, right? We have a short signal on the Trade Scalper, and we have a candle with a big wick, and now looking at the next candle, it's also in the same relative range. It hasn't really done anything. Almost looks like we're flip-flopping around. The next candle also trades down to 53.21 price. Now forget for a minute if this is the E-mini S&P. Consider this to be any market in any situation and at any time. I'm just showing you the first trade here using the Trade Scalper software from Day Trade to Win. The next candle is also relatively the same, and it really hasn't done anything. Now, as traders, you should be aware that there are risks involved with trading, so please never trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Thinking about how the candles are working, I'm going to use the ruler. I'm going to look at the high to low from this candle is about 3 points. And then I'm going to look at the next candle here from high to low is also another 2 points. And now when I look at here the next candle, we're also going to look at the distance from high to low is another 2 points. And then we're going to go to the next candle here. It's also 2 points. Now, the ATR, the average true range, does this for us automatically. But in knowing that, think about and consider whether or not we have a range and a type of distance that the market is trading within. So if I know that the market is trading on average between 3 and 2 points, that immediately tells me that my target as well as my stop should be in relative terms to the current conditions. Now this is really important. We talk about price action all the time in our live trading rooms. When we look at the roadmap or the Trade Scalper or the Atlas line, this is always a big part of how we trade. Now, the last thing that I want you to consider is the number of candles that have traded with the market hitting and unable to go below 53.21. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4 candles. Now, all that being said, what do I know? The range that each of these candles are working are 2 points. The market is unable for right now to break 53.21. The market has just opened and it's now slowing down. With that Trade Scalper signal, if the market breaks 53.21, or if you do want to go short, 2 points, which is $100 on the E-mini S&P per contract. If you think about 5 contracts, that would be $500. Now, as we go further, if you want to trade 2 contracts or 3 contracts, just multiply that by $100. As we continue further, the market on the 5th bar here is still at 53.21. Then it breaks. So what do we have? We have the market giving us a short signal in the Trade Scalper. We have the market in a type of support being broken. We have the range of 2 points. We have everything here that we need to sell the market. So if you're going to go short, we're going to go short right as it breaks. We have verification that we have a prior short signal. So whether you use the Trade Scalper or the roadmap or the Atlas line, we know already that we're looking for a short opportunity. We just have to be patient. We see it break. And now, if I wanted to put a ruler here at 2 points, I know exactly right there where the market's going to trade. That would be my target, $100, and I could also use that as my stop, or just maybe a little bit bigger of a stop to keep me in the trade. As we go forward here, there it was. There's the $100 or 2 points that we have based on each of these candles breaking the support, landing us here. And now if you do want to trail a stop, or if you want to do anything as far as adding a position or being finished for the day, you're done trading. This is a price action trading strategy that we use at Day Trade to Win. We use this with the roadmap, we use this with the Atlas line, and we use this with accelerated mentorship. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com and get a free member account, and join us every day in our live trading room where we cover these methods we teach you with the software provided by Day Trade to Win. Until next time, good trading. To get a free member account, click on the links in the description of this video. We have additional price action videos coming up next. Find out more and learn how to day trade using price action. Until next time, good trading.